Thank you for joining me today. With 5 minutes a day, you can make a huge difference. Starting in mountain pose, inhaling arms up, exhale right, inhale up, exhale left, inhale up, forward fold, halfway lift, forward fold, halfway lift. Go ahead and take your hands on this side. We're going to go to plank. High plank, hold it. Downward dog. Go ahead and reach and extend your right foot. We're going to go to warrior one. Do what you need to do to pull that through. Take your back foot back, 45-degree angle, warrior one. Make sure you're pushing the outside of your foot, the back foot down. Go ahead and pivot the back foot to 90 degrees, warrior two. Dropping the left arm, go to exalted warrior. Drop the right arm down to side angle. Dropping that arm, we're going to go ahead and pivot the back foot into crescent lunge, crescent pose. Bring down your arm, you're going to step that forward, reset. Going to go into chair pose. Inhaling up, back to mountain pose. Inhaling arms up, exhale right. Inhaling up, exhale left. Inhaling up, forward fold. Halfway lift. Forward fold, halfway lift, hands down, plank. This is a high plank, holding it, down dog. If you need to pedal it out, you can always pedal it out here. Go ahead and take your left foot and extend it. Bring that through. We're coming to warrior one on the left side. Foot is at a 45-degree angle in the back. Going to pivot to warrior two, pivoting that back foot 90 degree. Dropping the back to the right hand, exalted warrior, raising that left hand. Go ahead and drop the left arm, side angle. Bringing that down, we're going to pivot that back foot forward. I'm going to go into crescent pose. Dropping those arms, step forward. Recenter, chair pose. Inhaling up. Go ahead and take it down to the mat. We are going to come into reclined mountain pose. Stretching here. Go ahead and release that. Bring your knees to your chest. Legs at the wall, extending your legs, palms face down. Go ahead and bring your knees to your chest. Arms out to the side. We're going to do a recline side twist. Go ahead and let your knees drop to the right slowly. Go as far as you can. We want to keep the left shoulder down. To deepen this stretch, you're going to take your gaze to the left. Go ahead and slowly pivot your knees up. We're going to let them drop to the left this time. Keeping that right shoulder down. To extend this, you're going to take your gaze to the right. Go ahead and bring your knees back up. Knees to chest one last time. And go ahead and come on up.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope that I will see you tomorrow on your 10-day journey. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification button.